Severe thunderstorm emergency for the warned area. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Adams County, North Central Arapahoe County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Watkins, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorm emergency for the warned area. Hazard, 5-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Locations impacted include Watkins, Manila, Bennett, Strasburg, and Byers.